What if I told you this tiny module can detect a magnet without even touching it? Magnet high voltage sounds impossible, right? Today is day 13 of our 37 sensors challenge, and we're testing the linear magnetic switch module with Arduino UNO to see how it senses magnetic fields instantly in real time.
Hello everyone, first Arduino UNO board. Second linear magnetic sensor and jumper wire and type A to be cable. Now let's go connection. First, connect the sensor's VCC pin to the Arduino's 5V pin. Then, connect the sensor's GND pin to the Arduino's GND pin. Now we will connect the analog output pin of the sensor to the A0 pin of the Arduino, because analog pin A0 is used in the code. Now connect the cable to the Arduino and the laptop. With these connections made, we can upload the code and view the sensor values in the serial monitor. Now, as soon as you take the magnetic near the sensor, the value in serial monitoring will change and it will show detected or not detected.